Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha. This is my first video. Please to support me. And today we are going to prepare egg pocket paratha. I'm taking 2 cups of wheat flour, salt to taste and water to knead the dough. I'm just adding water gradually as I'm kneading it. So add sufficient water. I've taken about 1 cup of water and just go on kneading it until the batter or the dough is ready. And this is the consistency that we are looking for. Now we are going to the egg mixture. I've taken 4 eggs here and I'm adding half spoon of chili powder, and next quarter spoon of salt and quarter spoon of pepper powder. Here it goes. Now I'm just gonna mix all of it. I'm just gonna whisk it, and I hope all of you all are doing well. Please do try my recipes and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. So the batter is ready now. I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm adding 1 chopped onion. I'm just going to saute it a little, and I'm adding 1 peeled and chopped potato. I've taken a large potato here. If you have small potatoes, take 2 or 3 potatoes. Okay. And then I'm adding a little bit of salt. Once it's a little cooked, okay, just saute it a little and then add 1 chopped tomato. I'm just going to saute this all over again. And I'll let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomato and the potato is soft and it's cooked well. Just cover the lid and cook it, and make sure the flame is medium. Now it's ready, so we're just going to add the egg mixture now. So I'm adding the mixture here, and I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together and adding quarter spoon of turmeric powder and quarter spoon of chili powder. Just saute that all over again. I'll just let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the egg is cooked, and then the stuffing is ready now. I've garnished it with coriander. I've taken a medium sized dough and I've rolled a chapati out of it, and I'm putting the filling here, egg filling that we've prepared, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it, and I'm just going to seal this from all the 4 sides. Follow the procedure as the way I've shown in the video, and don't overpress that. I've heated a pan or a tawa and applied oil on it, and I'm just going to cook the paratha with sufficient oil as required until it turns a little brown or until it's cooked. Now this is ready to eat, and trust me guys, it's really tasty. Please do try this at home, and do subscribe my channel, like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.